Here we have a system of two linear equations. In the given system of equations, h is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of h? Before we start solving this problem, let's understand the stuff which is required to solve this problem. Now, let me write two linear equations in standard form. That is a1x positive b1y equals to c1, and the other equation is a2x positive b2y equals to c2. Here we have both the linear equations in standard form. We consider this is linear equation standard form because we have x term and y term on one side of the equation. The constant is on the other side of the equation. Now, let me take the ratio of the coefficients of x, that is a1 over a2. Let's take the ratio of the coefficients of y, that is b1 over b2. Now, let's take the ratio of the constant terms, that is c1 over c2. Here we have a system of two linear equations in standard form. If this system has no solution, then the ratio of the coefficients of x, the ratio of the coefficients of y must be equal, and both these ratios will not be equal to the ratio of the constant terms. Using the stuff we have discussed, we can solve this problem. For that, we need the given two linear equations in standard form, like this one. That is, we need x term and y term on one side of the equation. The constant is on the other side of the equation. Okay, now let me write the first one in standard form. Let me take the first equation as it is, that is 4x negative 9y equals to 9y positive 5. Now to get this one in standard form, we have to get rid of the y term on the right side of the equation. For that, we have to subtract 9y from both sides of the equation. This positive 9y, negative 9y will cancel out. I am getting 4x negative 18y equals to 5. Now I got the first equation in standard form. Now let me take the second one, that is hy equals to 2 positive 4x. Let me subtract 4x from both sides of this equation. Let me do it. This positive 4x, negative 4x will cancel out. I am getting negative 4x positive hy equals to 2. Now I got both the given linear equations in standard form. Okay, now let's get the ratio of the coefficients of x, that is 4 over negative 4. Let me write it over here. Now let's get the ratio of the coefficients of y, negative 18 over positive h. Let me write it. And now let's get the ratio of the constant terms, that is 5 over 2. Since the given system has no solution, the ratio of the coefficients of x, the ratio of the coefficients of y must be equal, and both these ratios will not be equal to the ratio of the constant term, as we have discussed over here. Now let's consider this equation. In this equation, we have to solve for h. And the simplification of 4 over negative 4 is just negative 1. On the right side, we can take this stuff as it is, that is negative 18 over h. Now let's multiply both sides of this equation by h. Then this h will cancel out. H times negative 1 is negative h. On the right side, we have negative 18. Now let's multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. When I multiply negative h by negative 1, I am getting positive h, or simply we can write it as h. When I multiply this negative 18 by negative 1, I am getting positive 18, or simply we can write 18. Here I got the value of h, that is 18. We find 18 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.